In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there was a legend of a hidden path. It was said to lead to a magical garden, where flowers danced with the wind and colors painted the air. Tanvir, a curious young boy with eyes full of wonder, heard whispers of this path from the village elders. His heart filled with excitement, and he vowed to find it. Early one morning, when the golden sun began to peek over the horizon, Tanvir set out on his adventure. He walked through the village, along winding paths and through tall grass, his eyes scanning for any sign of the hidden path. As the day unfolded, Tanvir encountered babbling brooks and ancient trees. He listened to the birds' cheerful songs and felt the earth beneath his feet. It was a journey of discovery, and every step held a new wonder. Just as the sun began its descent, casting a warm glow across the land, Tanvir noticed a peculiar arrangement of stones near an ancient oak tree. His heart raced with anticipation. Could this be the hidden path? Carefully, he moved the stones aside, revealing a narrow opening in the earth. It was a path, overgrown with wildflowers and dappled with patches of sunlight. Tanvir's heart swelled with joy. This was it. He stepped onto the hidden path, feeling a sense of magic in the air. The world around him transformed. The colors seemed brighter, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of blossoms. He followed the path, his heart pounding with excitement. After a while, the path opened up into a breathtaking garden. Flowers of every hue stretched towards the sky, and butterflies danced among them. Tanvir couldn't believe his eyes. It was more beautiful than he had ever imagined. He spent hours in the garden, his fingers gently grazing the petals, and his laughter mingling with the song of the birds. Time seemed to stand still in this enchanted place. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows across the garden, Tanvir knew he had to leave. With a grateful heart, he retraced his steps along the hidden path. When he emerged back into the village, he was greeted by the concerned faces of his family. They had been worried about him, but when they saw the light in his eyes and the bouquet of wildflowers in his hand, they knew he had found something truly special. From that day on, Tanvir visited the hidden path often, each time discovering new wonders and sharing the magic with those he loved. The legend of the hidden path became a cherished tale in the village, a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful adventures are the ones we find when we follow our hearts.